Hey guys, what's up? It's Ross from Yoodoo here, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick download or a quick demo of the app in real time to kind of show you the basics of the app, how it works, and to see if it's the right app for you. I think it will be. If you're someone who's got ADHD or you're someone who's a little bit distracted quite a lot, like I am now while I'm trying to set this damn thing up, then this app is for you. But let me give you a quick demo and walk you through the main features. Cool. So first page we have here is the list page, or the task list page, as I like to call it. And from here you can see this is the place where you're going to brain dump all the things that are in your head. So all those thoughts, all those tasks, all those things you need to do, you just put them here. And once you kind of got them down, you can prioritize. So I'm just going to quickly do a quick demo of what this looks like. So I'm going to quick add down here by tapping here, add a task. I'm going to do walk the dog. That's something I need to do today. I'm going to buy some milk. Done. I need to call my mum. Essential. And maybe I'll go to the gym. Cool. All added. Cool. So these are all added to the task list, and I can prioritize them here. We've got need to do's, nice to do's. Go to the gym is not a priority today. I'm going to put it down to nice to do's. And you can create lots of different lists here as well. So if I tap general tasks, I've got all these different types of lists: today, work, home, social, health, fitness, whatever. You can add your own. Maybe you want another section down here. So we've got need to do's, nice to do's. I can tap here. I can add another section. Like, I don't know, never do. It's not practical. I don't recommend it. But you can create like lots of different sections here, and I don't know, buy some milk. Maybe I'll never ever buy milk. I will. Anyway, right. This is the task list. Really good place to dump all your thoughts, organize things out. It's really, really useful. You can write notes and stuff in here, add tasks, tick them off once they're done, etc. They go down here. We haven't done that on yet, but you get the idea. Cool. All right, timeline is the next one. This is a really good one. So this is the timeline. This is the daily timeline. And if you're someone who's really distracted and you really need a plan, you really need to stick to it, this is going to help you a ton. It's great for ADHD. It's good for visual brains. And it works because, as you can see here, the day is split by 24 1-hour time blocks. You can change it to half hour, 15 minutes, up to you. But for me, I like to work with 1-hour time blocks. And what this does is it helps you schedule those tasks or any other tasks into a very clear schedule for your day. And the secret with time blocking is that when you kind of schedule tasks, the idea is that you start and stop when the task finishes. I'll show you how this works. So as you can see, at the moment, it's 3 minutes past 10. I'm going to add a task here. So we could create a new task. What task should we do? I'm going to do this video, which we're doing right now. And it's not going to take an hour. I'm going to say it's going to take, I don't know, 30 minutes. So that's cool. Add task. That's done. Cool. So this is glowing blue. I know I need to be doing this right now because it's glowing blue, or whatever color you want. There's lots of different colors in here. So at 10:30, I'm going to pick from the task I've already done. So, or I need to do. So call my mum. I'm going to call my mum. That's going to take me 15 minutes. Okay, that's done. 10:45 is the next block. What else do I need to do? I'm going to walk the dog. That's going to take me maybe 30 minutes. Cool, done. I'm going to, 11:15, I need to do something else. What else am I going to do? I will buy that milk. Get the milk. The milk's going to take me 20 minutes. The shop's around the corner. Done. So we have a clear, structured schedule for that day. Maybe there's other stuff we need to do here. We've got any time at the top. I can just go here, go to the gym. I can do that anytime. So that's just kind of sitting at the top. I can do that anytime in my day, and it's there, ready to tap off. Done. Bosh. This is the timeline. It's really awesome. In another video, I'll show you how to use it in even better detail, so it makes it even more beneficial for you. But yeah, this is the timeline. Really awesome, really cool. Another feature we've got in Yoodoo is routines or habits. So this is a section that's really, really cool, really, really useful. So these are tasks here. This is a repeat task section. This is where you can basically add a bunch of tasks that you want to repeat to appear on your timeline whenever you want. I'll go into that in more detail. So we've got a quick add task. This is one here called take a break. 15 minutes, it's pre-scheduled. What I can do, I go into my timeline, maybe go to 11:35. I go to quick add. Here it is, take a break, put it in, done. That's now there for my day. And also here we've got templates. Templates are really, really useful if you like to plan your day in advance and there's things that you like to do at the same time every day, or maybe not the same time, you can put them in any time. Anyway, as you guys can see here, the default here is daily meals, breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. I'm going to go to my timeline here. I'm going to tap on a task. I'm going to go all the way to templates. Got it here, daily meals, add. Daily meals, that is now in my day. We've got lunch at 12:30, snack at 3:30, dinner at 7 o'clock. These are the main things. There's lots of really, really cool things you can do. You can schedule that so that happens every damn day if you want. You can have that repeat. I don't know. I want that every single day. There you go. Boom, done. That is now going to appear on every single day on my timeline. That is just there. So really cool, really, really cool. Really awesome. We've got the focus timer. Let me show you the focus timer. So focus timer, do this video, focus. How long do you want to focus? We've got 24 minutes to the next task. Let's go. This is the focus timer. Again, really awesome, really cool. You can add sounds, all these kind of different stuff. But anyway, we're going to finish this. Yes, finish early. Finish. Ask me if I want to do the next task. I'm not going to do the next task. So I'm going to skip that. Cool. Anyway, and it marks it off as done. Really, really cool. Another quick one that's also really awesome. We've got the app blocker. So, say you're someone who's very easily distracted and you want to block apps as well. You can do that. So here I've got one app scheduled to block, start session. Let's do this. Boom. This app is now blocked. This is Instagram. If I try to open Instagram, it's not going to let me. It does that. I'm going to go back to it again. Open Instagram. Blocked. Doesn't let me. Can't get in. So that's really, really, really useful and really, really cool. There is a ton of other really cool stuff in this, guys. That is really useful for helping you kind of plan your day and get stuff done. But I'll go into that in other videos. But yeah, best of luck. Give Yoodoo a go and see how you find it.